Okay, today we are going to be making black eyed peas. You're going to start with getting you some water boiled. You're going to add a little chicken bouillon to that. All right, let that boil up, and then of course you're going to throw your black eyed peas in. So the water is boiling. Go ahead and add those black eyed peas in there. Allow that to boil for maybe like 5 to 10 minutes, and then just let it sit on the eye for about an hour so they can soak. So while those black eyed peas are going to be soaking on the stove for about an hour, go ahead and add about a tablespoon or so of butter to your skillet. We're going to allow that to melt. And while this is melting, if you haven't already chopped up your veggies, go ahead and chop your veggies. Okay, at this point, we're going to go ahead and add in that chopped onion. All right, and allow that to saute. And we're going to make sure that we cook the onions down until they are translucent. And I know sometimes people like them burnt. All right, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to add the peas to our crock pot. And then go ahead and prepare to add your other items to your crock pot, such as your chicken bouillon or your chicken broth. Okay. All right, so once we have all of that in, you're gonna go ahead and add in those smoked turkey necks to your crock pot. Go ahead and add those smoked turkey necks. Then you're gonna go ahead and add in those sauteed onions. Once we add in all of these onions, you want to go ahead and give this a good stir. We want to continue to stir these probably every hour on the hour, and let these cook in the crock pot on high to 3 to 4 hours. And that pretty much concludes how to make black eyed peas in the crock pot. Thank you, and y'all have a great day. Come back and see us.